Well, just messing around in the yard. I guess that's time to cut grass. My little black racer showed up again. See if he's gonna let me grab him without being ugly. Come here, buddy. We gotta get you out of here. He's hunting for lizards and everything. My wife has a good little flower bed here. Let's see if he's gonna be ugly. Look at him, buddy. There you go. Say hey. Don't pop nobody. Don't be ugly. There we go. And again, we talked about the elliptical versus. Oh, he's not happy now. We're gonna get him. All right. Calm down. I know you're mean. We're gonna watch him take off again. I know everybody enjoys watching him go. So let's see if he goes. Here he goes. Don't go back to the house, you goofball. Come here. Go that way. Go on. You're going the wrong way. Take off. Come on. You gotta go. You're going the wrong way. And let's see if he takes off. Go on, buddy.